Oh my god! But that's a pleasant surprise! I'm excited, you guys! I know it's nap time. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing weekend, because as usual we are about to have a lit weekend. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a lit weekend also. We are out and about as usual. We are heading to the supermarket, the fruit store, to get some stock. My bubble want to sleep, or is he already sleeping? It is nap time, so we head out just on time for nap time. So he should be napping along our supermarket and or fruit store pickups, and then later on in the day we are heading to this amazing park. Well, I'm hoping it will be amazing, but we're heading to a park later on. What are you guys doing today? Did you work out today? Did you? It's Saturday, so you guys know it's my rest day, so no, I did not work out today, but resume workout tomorrow. It's too busy to work out on a Saturday for me. My Saturdays are fully loaded, so I decided to take my Saturdays as my rest day, seeing that it's the time when everybody is home and everybody's together, and it's a day when we're really out and about. So I think it's always best to not work out when I'll be so busy up and down. I'll be too tired, and then I probably will never get my workout in. So I remove my rest day from in the week to the weekend, so now I rest on Saturdays. Hubby is driving, so you guys will talk to him in a bit, and Tyler is in the back napping, so you guys will talk to him after. But hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope you guys stay encouraged. Hope you guys stay motivated. Hope you guys never limit yourselves, no matter what the case may be. Never limit yourself. Never give up on what you want to do. Continue pushing. Every bit counts. Doesn't matter how small it is, every bit counts. So have a wonderful day, and we're on about our business, so we'll catch you guys in a bit. Hi faves, so we got home from the store, and okay, I think I better go down on the cycle track because I can't really walk up this with you. We got home from the store, pack out all our stuff, had lunch, feed Tyler, all is well, and we are back on the road. Changed from my other jacket to this one because it's a bit chilly. Changed my shoes to something flat, because when you're out with my husband, you better plan on walking. If you live in Europe, tell me, comment down below and tell me if your husband walk as much as mine, because man, this man can't walk. So now we are down on the promenade going to Park Phoenix. So we're trying to find the entrance to see if we can get into this park. I don't even really know what kind of park it is, but I guess when we get there we shall see. So we're looking forward to an eventful afternoon, and hopefully I can have some pizza for all this walk after I'm done. I know he would have given you that laugh. So we're going to the park, and Tyler is sleeping in his stroller. He's knocked out because he didn't have a nap. While we're in the car, he kept waking up, so I didn't really nap. So we're heading to the park, and hopefully if there's something there for him to do, he'll wake up in time to enjoy this park. Looking forward to what's in there, babe?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do have an idea about.
Oh, you have to say hi from Honey.
Hi, everybody.
Say hi, Faves.
Hi, Faves. Happy Saturday. Happy rainy Saturday.
Yeah, it's raining actually. Well, it's not raining because I wouldn't be filming, but it's drizzling. So I'm gonna stop the rambling and not get my precious Canon wet, okay? Because your girl can't afford to lose you right now. Can't afford to afford a next Canon right now. Alright? So, let go. Wow. Baby, look. And Taylor is sleeping. Taylor, wake up. Wow, she's so pretty. Hello. Look at the white one. Look at the white one, you guys. Look at the white one. What is it called again? Peacock? Look at this one. Look. Baby, come here. Baby, come here. Fast. Fast. Okay, you guys, so we're here. We're inside. We paid. It's not too bad. It's just €4 per person, and Tyler came in free. So it started off well because we saw some pretty what is it called, peacocks. It's the first I've seen a white peacock, so that was pretty cool. And the other one, they're just strolling around, so cute.
This is where we enter.
But it looks like a long park. Oh, and there is food in here too. Yes, food. That's the first thing I always look for. Food. No, babe? That's the first thing I always look for. Food. Always having my stomach when I go anywhere. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. I don't care. Period. Once I see something and I want it, I'm gonna get it. Ah, this look like they have seal. Let's see if I can find him. Come, baby, come. Let's find him. Tell me if you find him. Maybe he's out. There they are. Hi. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Hey, 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 hey.
That's how I like to spend my weekend.
Oh yeah. I get excited for the simplest of things. That's when you know you're enjoying life. When you just see little things and you just get giddy and crazy. I hope, yes, there it is. It's a Poco Peak. Oh, Ty, you would know this one. Hello. Hello, Poco Peak. We call this hedgehog. Oh, there's another one right there. We call him hedgehog in English. He can bite me? Okay, I'm gone. Look who is awake and wants to go back to sleep. Ostrich. And they're gonna pick you. Tala, look, look. Tala, look. He's smiling. Hey. Hey. They're so pretty. Oh, look at the baby one. You know, you guys, this park is just beside the airport. I'm literally hearing the plane engine revving up to take off right now. It's just so amazing. Nice is so beautiful. There's so much things here to see. There's so many amazing things when you get out and just get used to the place. And it's only €4 to come and visit this place. Look at it. And it's not yet finished because this little pyramid over here, let me see if I can find it. This pyramid over here, I think there's something else inside there that we're gonna go and see in just a bit. But look at these ostrich. How cool is that? They're so pretty. Look. And Tyler is enjoying looking at them. Look at him. You're looking? He was smiling. To feed me ostrich food, babe. I tell babe I want something to munch on. He showed me the ostrich eating and asked me if I want to go get his food. Just walk. You like those? Those are kangaroos. They're pretty.
Baby?
Yes, you are the baby. You guys, I'm about to get teary-eyed right now. I remember babe always says he's going to wait for the moment when we take Tyler to a zoo and he reacts to things. And he's just so exciting. Every animal he sees, he gets so excited. Tyler, look. You see how cute they are. You see? Look. You see?
Il suit sa maman. Ouais, c'est dur pour lui. Regarde la
Oh, look. Oh my God. It's just right here. Look, Tyler, look. It's just right here. So cute. My God. I'm getting so excited. Ty is having so much fun. Go, Papa. Yes, baby. Look there. The kangaroo. Aww. Look, Ty. You see? You see? Careful. Oh, they are huge. Tella, look. I don't think he can recognize what they are because it just look like a stone. No. Meaning he won't recognize. You think he'll recognize that there's something? It look like a stone. Look, Papa, look. He can't move. Look at the shells. He can't move, baby. The one that is sleeping, right? He looks so old. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, they're eating grass. Look how this one eats. Yeah, but you know what I get to understand is that they don't eat much. Because look what they're eating. Tella, look at that. Damn, baby. You hear that? You hear that?
Is the thing every time you eat spoon.
Damn. It's so like a drum each time he walks and his stomach hits to the floor. It's so like a drum, literally. That means inside the shell there's nothing. It's just hollow like that. Look how this one is eating. He's hungry as hell. Yes, he's eating. Damn. I can't stay too long here. My skin run cold. Whoa. I gotta go. I can't.
You know where we're going tomorrow?
Listen. Babe have a weekend plan. This is day one, which today is Saturday. he took me to the park, and I wasn't really expecting to go to the park, but you said it's gonna be a fun weekend. He said it's gonna be.
How was it? Was good?
It was good, and then he keeps saying that tomorrow is going to be exciting, but he doesn't tell me what time we're leaving the house. He doesn't tell me where we're going, but we didn't plan anything. You planned, but you're not telling me.
I didn't plan anything. I just said I will go there with you.
But there we are.
I have to tell you.
So when you're gonna tell me?
Whenever you want me to tell you.
Tell me now.
Okay, so we're going to.
You're too lie. Why you so lie?
Yeah.
Why you so lie?
Yeah, we're going to go. Yeah.
You say God no.
You want to go?
Of course.
Yeah, we're going.
What a surprise. You too lie.
Yeah, we're going. But I can't tell you like, okay, baby.
So what time we leaving home?
I don't want maybe about 9 or about 9 that would be
How much
nice.
hours drive is gonna be?
About an hour 50. Yeah, we're going there. But I can't tell you that, okay baby, we're driving and I'm not gonna let you know where, because then if I tell you, okay, you have to take a big jacket or you have to, you see?
So what do I need to pack? What do I need to do? What do I need to carry? Oh my god! But that's a pleasant surprise! I'm excited, you guys. Now we finally tell me where we're going tomorrow. So you guys, you know that the next vlog after this one is going to be late. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm excited, you guys. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to cut down on my excitement, and we're heading in town to have something to eat, and then we're gonna head home. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Man, oh man, babe. Hey faves, we are home. We are tired, but we had an awesome day. Wouldn't you say, babe? You had a good day?
I'm the one who don't.
Huh?
No, that was good. We planned.
You planned.
Yeah, did everything that we wanted to do, and we had fun. And no, it was very good.
He really planned a good day, and I enjoyed myself. And I'm looking forward for tomorrow. The next vlog after this one should be a good vlog. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Like I said, we have an awesome day. We are full. We just had so much to eat. I won't tell you what we eat though, because I feel so guilty. So we are just going to unwind from our day and enjoy the rest of the evening, and put Tyler to bed and have some mommy and hubby time. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a productive day. Hopefully you guys continue to stay positive and continue to stay motivated. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in our next video.